What if I told you there's a machine that can end your endless bottle washing nightmares? That the future of clean bottles isn't scrubbing, but technology. As parents, we lose weeks of our lives at that sink. But not anymore. Today, we're revealing 2026 most advanced baby bottle washers, machines so smart, so fast, one of them can sterilize a full day's bottles in less time than it takes to microwave your coffee. We loaded them with dried formula, stuck on purees, and put them through hell. The results? One will change your parenting life forever. But which one? Number 1. Momcozy KleanPal Pro Baby. Automatically washes, sterilizes, and dries baby bottles, pump parts, baby tableware, and more, providing you with the invaluable opportunity to dedicate more quality time with your family. This innovative device is designed to simplify your cleaning routine, taking the burden off your shoulders and ensuring that your baby's feeding essentials are perfectly hygienic and ready for use. With 26 powerful spray jets expertly engineered for thorough cleaning, no stained spot stands a chance. There are 12 directional spray jets organized in sets that meticulously scrub the interior of each bottle, while an additional 10 swirling spray jets are dedicated to cleansing the exterior surfaces. This comprehensive cleaning mechanism guarantees that every inch of the bottle is reached, leaving it sparkling clean. For added convenience, this washer is equipped with a wearables pump part safe feature. Simply pop in your baby bottles alongside your wearable pump parts. The Momcozy bottle washer boasts a dual-layer design that can accommodate up to 4 bottles simultaneously from most major brands, along with various other baby items. This versatility not only streamlines the cleaning process but also maximizes your efficiency. Number 2. Grownsy EaseClean Bottle Washer Pro. The Grownsy Baby Bottle Washer is a revolutionary device designed to simplify the cleaning process for parents. It not only washes and sterilizes baby bottles but also dries and stores them, along with other essential items such as pacifiers, pump parts, and sippy cups. This all-in-one solution is especially advantageous for busy families who want to save time and energy by eliminating manual cleaning processes, making it an essential item for households with infants. Featuring 26 powerful spray jets, the Bottle Washer Pro boasts a combination of 12 precision-directed sprays, which focus on thoroughly cleaning the interiors of baby bottles, and 14 swirling jets that provide a complete 360 degrees cleaning on the exterior. This high-pressure water system, rated at an impressive 24,000 pascals, effectively tackles stubborn stains while being environmentally friendly by using 86% less water than traditional manual washing methods. Number 3. Baby Brezza Bottle Washer Pro. Automatically washes, sterilizes, and dries bottles, pump parts, sippy cups, pacifiers, and accessories both inside and out. This innovative bottle washer is the only one clinically proven to clean more effectively than other brands and better than traditional bottle brushes. It is the ONLY bottle washer clinically proven to completely clean bottles with 100% efficiency. Independent laboratory testing has demonstrated that bottles had no milk residue, 0%, after undergoing just one wash, sterilize, and dry cycle in the Bottle Washer Pro. In contrast, other brand washers left milk residue behind even after a full cycle. This unit features a powerful and fast operation, using 20 high-pressure spray jets that are designed to thoroughly wash all surfaces and reach those hard-to-access corners of bottles and accessories. It effectively kills 99.9% of germs through steam cleaning and ensures everything is dried using HEPA-filtered, germ-free hot air. It also comes with 3 rinse cycles, one more than competing models, to guarantee that all detergent residue is completely removed. Number 4. Baby Brezza Bottle Washer Pro. The Baby Brezza Bottle Washer is an innovative appliance designed to streamline the cleaning and sanitizing process for baby feeding items such as bottles, pump parts, sippy cups, pacifiers, and other accessories. This device offers a comprehensive washing solution by automatically washing, sterilizing, and drying these items both inside and out, thereby saving valuable time for parents. In terms of performance, independent laboratory testing has verified that the Baby Brezza Bottle Washer is clinically proven to remove 100% of milk residue, outperforming other leading brands like Momcozy and Grownsy. This is a significant advantage, as many traditional cleaning methods, including bottle brushes, can leave behind unwanted residue. The washer completes a full wash, sterilize, and dry cycle, ensuring that every bit of residue is eliminated. Number 5. Papablic Bottle Washer Pro. Wash, sterilize, dry, and store, all in one go. This innovative appliance caters to the busy lifestyle of parents, allowing them to tackle bottle cleaning and sterilization efficiently. Whether you're in a rush or have extra time, the Wash plus Sterilize plus Dry functions can be combined flexibly to meet your individual needs. You can complete a quick wash cycle in as little as 19 minutes, perfect for when you're on the go. Alternatively, you can opt for the full cycle, which takes just 74 or 84 minutes, depending on your choice of settings. This versatility helps to eliminate the tediousness of cleaning chores, providing you with more quality time to spend with your little one. When it comes to the design of the control panel, Papablic features an angled layout that enhances usability. Unlike traditional vertical front panels, which can be awkward to navigate, this innovative approach allows caregivers to see and operate controls clearly without the need to bend over. This setup is especially beneficial for new moms, who may often find themselves multitasking, so they can conveniently adjust the settings even with one hand while holding their baby. Furthermore, this ergonomic design minimizes unnecessary physical strain, making daily routines smoother and more comfortable, particularly for those recovering from C-sections. And that's the machine that's giving parents their time and sanity back. If you're ready to reclaim your evenings and ensure medical-grade clean for your little one, all product links for your buy are waiting in the video description below. Did we miss a washer you love? Debate our rankings in the comments. If this review saves you just 1 hour of scrubbing tonight, please hit that like button, share this with any exhausted parent you know, and subscribe. Because next, we're testing 2026 most controversial baby monitors, and what we found watching our sleeping babies will keep you up at night. See you then.